Welcome. The future has arrived. Meet the Xiaomi Vision GT in black, a masterpiece of speed. Look at this beast. The Xiaomi Vision GT Black defines the future of electric supercars. Look at those aggressive lines. The black Xiaomi Vision GT looks like a stealth fighter on wheels. Sleek, dark, and dangerous, this black Xiaomi Vision GT redefines aero design. Let's check it out. Carbon fiber meets elegance. The black Xiaomi Vision GT stands unmatched. Aerodynamics redefined. Every curve of the black Xiaomi Vision GT serves a purpose. That signature light bar makes the black Xiaomi Vision GT iconic at night. The finish on this black Xiaomi Vision GT feels like liquid obsidian. Innovation meets luxury. This Xiaomi Vision GT feels like it's from the year 2050. Step inside the cockpit of the black Xiaomi Vision GT. It's like entering a spaceship.
From the active aero wing to the massive 21-inch rims, the Vision GT screams performance.
Everything is focused on the driver. The black Vision GT interior feels premium yet futuristic. The Xiaomi Vision GT is powered by HyperOS, seamless connectivity at 200 miles per hour. Luxury meets technology. The black Xiaomi Vision GT offers an unmatched digital experience. Time to unleash the beast. The black Xiaomi Vision GT is ready for the track.
0 to 60 is instant in the electric black Xiaomi Vision GT. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. The Vision GT Black Edition defies the laws of physics. Panoramic views from inside the cabin of this black Xiaomi Vision GT. Custom forged rims for the ultimate black Xiaomi Vision GT performance.
Precision handling and raw power. This is why the Xiaomi Vision GT is a game changer.
The deep black finish on this Xiaomi Vision GT is absolutely breathtaking and sleek.
Intelligence meets muscle. The black Xiaomi Vision GT drives itself. Experience the evolution. The Xiaomi Vision GT in black. Thanks for watching.